Hello friends, now we're going to see the problem on development of lateral surfaces of cylinder. Here problem is given as draw the development of lateral surfaces of cylinder of base diameter 40 mm and height 60 mm kept on HP on its base and it's cut by an AIP inclined 45 degree to HP and bisecting the axis of the cylinder. Okay, we'll see going to problem. We have to draw the development of lateral surface of cylinder of base diameter 40 mm and height 60 mm is kept on horizontal plane on its base. First we will draw this first condition. While drawing this, we have to draw first top view of the cylinder. In top view of the cylinder there is circle. The circle is of diameter 40 mm. Take the radius of 20 mm and in the compass and draw this circle of diameter 40 mm. After drawing the circle, we have to put two reference lines, horizontal reference line. After completing two horizontal reference line, we have to take the projection of this cylinder in front view. While taking this projection in front view, take the extreme ends of the cylinder and these ends of the cylinder transfer to front view. After in front view, the height of the cylinder is 60 mm. While taking this height of 60 mm, take the distance of height from this reference line and take the distance of 60 mm at upper side and draw this another one reference line. Here we near about completes the front view and top view of the cylinder. After that, second condition is given as this cylinder is cut by AIP inclined plane 45 degree to HP and bisecting the axis of the cylinder. Okay, the axis of the cylinder is, draw the center line from this circle of top view. This is one center line and this is one center line. This center line, it indicates the axis of cylinder. Here this axis of cylinder, and which is plane which is to be cutting to the cylinder is 45 degree to HP and bisecting the axis of cylinder. This is axis of cylinder. We have to take, bisecting means it's dividing the axis in two same parts. We have to take the distance of 30 mm from this base to this axis. This distance is of 30 mm, and after taking the distance, this plane is cutting at 45 degree. So we have to draw this line at 45 degree and complete this line. After completing this line, make bottom part of the cylinder as dark and this upper part of the cylinder should be faint lines, that is projection lines. Here we completes the development, here we completes only cylinder, vertical cylinder, and now we have to go for development. While going for development, first we have to divide this circle into 8 number of parts. We are dividing this circle in 8 number of parts. You can divide this into 12 number of parts and any number of parts, but for simplification we are dividing this circle in 8 number of parts. We can divide this circle with the help of set squares. After dividing this circle, we have to give the names or numberings for this all parts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 number of equal parts, and this all the points which are divided for the circle, all these points should be conducted in the front view. We are going to project all this point in front view. You can use drafter or set square for this drawing. We have already taken the projection of point 5. Now we will take the projection of point 4 and 6. This only single line can pass from these 2 points 4 and 6. After that, here is already taken the points 3 and 7. Now we are going to take the projections of points 2 and 8. Here also single line passes through this both points 2 and 8. After we have already taken point 1. Whatever point are shown in the top view, all these points taken in front view, and give the numbering on this plane. Here will be the point 1, here will be the point 2 and 8, here will be the point 2 and 8, here will be the point 3 and 7. This is the point for 3 and 7. These lines, the points are 4 and 6. This is point 5. This completes front view and top view of cylinder, which is cut by AIP plane at 45 degree to HP and bisecting the axis of cylinder. Now we have to go for development of surfaces. While going for development of surfaces, we have to take the line parallel to axis. This is line parallel to axis, and from this line we will going to start the development. After that, we have to start the development from this point. Before going for development, we have to take the perimeter of this circle, which is circle in the top view. The formula for perimeter of circle is pi d, that is pi into diameter. This is value of pi, and diameter is 40 mm, and this value of perimeter is 225.66 mm. After that, we have to put this distance as 125.66 mm, and after keeping this distance, we have to draw the projection line from this point. We have to draw projection line from these points, and this completes the rectangle. In this rectangle, we are going to draw development of lateral surface of cylinder. This distance is perimeter of circle, that is 125.66 mm. After that, we have divided this circle of top view in 8 number of equal parts. So we have to divide this length of rectangle into same 8 number of equal parts. We use this method for dividing the circle. We have drawn the projection line. Take any angle, theta, you can take any angle, and take suitable distance in the compass. After taking suitable distance in the compass, draw 8 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are giving the names. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have divided this in 8 number of equal parts and joined these parts. When we are going to join these parts, then it divides this line in 8 number of equal parts. Draw the lines parallel to each other. This is dividing the edge of rectangle in 8 number of equal parts. This is very simple method to divide this circle. Is divided in 8 number of parts: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. After that, draw the projection lines in this rectangle from these 8 parts. We are going to draw these projection lines from these parts. These are projection lines. These lines should be faint lines. We are drawing projection lines in the development. The top view of the circle is divided into 8 number of parts. Therefore, we are also dividing this rectangle into 8 number of parts. After dividing this rectangle, we have to give the names to here. We'll start giving name from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, again 1. After that, we will going to take the projections from front view in the development of parts. From each points we have already taken. This is where we are taking the projection of 0.5, again 0.46, again 0.37 is already taken. Now take projection from 0.28, and then we are going to take the projection from 0.1. Now we have to fix the point which are intersecting to each other. We start from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 up to 1. This is 0.1 over here, and this is 1 point. When it intersect 1.1 from front view and 0.1 from this development of surface, we have to give the name as 1. After that, 2 8. Here is 0.2, here is 0.2, here is 0.3, here is 0.3, here is 0.4, here is 0.4, here is 0.5, here is 0.5, here is 0.6, here is 0.6, here is 0.7, here is 0.7, here is 0.8, here is 0.8, again last point here is 0.1, and here is 0.1. This will completes the points from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 up to again 1. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and last point is 1. We have to draw smooth curve from this all points. We are drawing smooth curve from all these points, and after drawing this smooth curve, we have to make remaining part as dark line. Remaining part as dark line, and here we complete the development of lateral surface of cylinder of base diameter 40 and height 60 mm, kept on HP on its base, and it's cut by an AIP inclined plane 45 degree to HP and bisecting the axis of cylinder. Okay, thank you.